Hello there, it's Manko here, and today I'm going to show you how to post your job to job boards. Recruiterflow integrates with job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, ZipRecruiter, etc. Once your integration is enabled, you can post your job to these job boards and receive applications on your account directly. To post your job to job boards, click on Edit Job on the job card and go to the Promote section. So if you haven't configured the location yet, you'll see this red error message over here. Just click on this link to go to the location settings and add the city and the state to your location here. Now let's go back to the job promote section. Check on the job boards you want to post your job and you're done. That's about it. If anything else comes up, you know where to find us. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.